Hey, welcome to the 9th session of the course overview module, and in this session we're going to discuss about the benefits working with Power BI and also the types of data available in the industries. Let's say after this course you will gonna go for data analyst or a business analyst or a Power BI developers profile. Then you know how many kind of data you need to deal with and you know what sort of reports and dashboards you need to create. So all these things we're gonna discuss in this particular session. So let's have a look. So these are some of the major benefits working with Power BI. The first is we can create rich and personalized dashboard. Irrespective of any background you have, sales, marketing, billing, HR, finance, you can create a personalized dashboard. You just need to have a data with you. And the second is we can secure report publishing. Whatever the report you created, you can publish it online and you can share it wherever and whenever you want to in all over the world. That's why it is having a good work from home opportunities as well, because you can work from home and you can share your work with anyone and from your client as well from your home itself. So whatever the work you do, you can publish it online and you can share it with your team. The third one is no memory and speed constraints. You can work with big data in the Power BI. It support advanced data services, balance simplicity and performance. We can, extract intelligence rapidly and accurately. What does it mean? Using Power BI, you can do predictions and forecastings as well. Let's say you have a past 10 years of data, you can easily predict upcoming 2 to 3 years of data as well. Using Power BI, it is having that functionalities, okay? So Power BI is also a machine learning and artificial intelligence enabled software. Most of the students say that, Aditi, can AI replace Power BI or data analyst? No, AI can't replace Power BI or data analyst. But the person who are using Power BI and these sort of AI enabled softwares, they can of course replace them, okay? That's why I'm again and again saying that please upgrade your skills, especially in the Power BI, which is a world's top data analytics tool, because it is already AI and ML enabled, okay? Because that's why we can do predictions and forecastings in the Power BI. Also, no specialized technical support required. Like in upcoming sessions, I'll guide you how to install Power BI, how to, build visuals in Power BI, how to share your reports. And for that, you don't need any tech background. You can install Power BI in your respective systems very easily with no tech support required. And that's how easy it is. Not only this, guys, it integrates seamlessly with existing applications. For an example, companies are using n number of applications in their organizations like Microsoft Teams, Outlook, Google Sheets, SharePoint, and so on. Power BI is something which can easily integrate with the existing applications that companies are using. For an example, let's take a case study of TechTip24 that like we can say before 3 to 4 years, we are the one working with Excel, creating reports and dashboards in the Excel itself, okay? But now what we are doing is we just storing our data in Excel, but we are getting all the data in Power BI, and reports and dashboards we are creating in Power BI. Before we are creating in Excel itself, but now we upgraded to Power BI. Why is it so? Because it can handle big data, and our data is something which keeps on increasing. And this is the same scenario for all other organizations and industries as well, because everyone upgraded their softwares, data analytics softwares to Power BI, because they can handle and they can work with big data, and also it can integrate seamlessly with 150 plus applications, okay? So if you import Power BI in your company, you don't need to dispatch any other software which you are already using. Power BI will not hamper your company's work. It is, it will make simple, or we can say to simplify your work, we can say that, okay? So these are some of the major benefits working with Power BI. Not only this, guys, in the companies, you need to deal with two type of data. This is a structured data and this is a unstructured data. Unstructured data have lot of null values and errors in between. But as a data analyst or a Power BI developer, our role and responsibility is to convert the both structured and unstructured data into meaningful reports and dashboards like this, okay? I hope it's clear. So in this video, we had a discussion regarding the benefits working with Power BI, and we have two type of data, structured, unstructured. There is no semi-structured data, okay? We have only two type of data, and our core responsibility is to create reports like this. So if you are the one who wants to learn how to create reports like this, then make sure that you complete the course till the end. You watch all the sessions and do the practical with me. I'll see you in the next session.